On question 4, I've already calculated the linear regression model. So y is equal to 1.377x plus 64.068. And this is what the graph looks like. And my R value is 0.985. So that's really good. Part D says, what does the model predict the size of the workforce to be in 2045? So I want to show an alternate way to find this. So 2045, this means that x is equal to 95. And I want to show how to use the Calc value command. I already have my equation entered into the y1, and I already have my graph. So I want to press second Calc, or the trace button, and that gets me to the Calc menu, and I want to select number 1, which is value. And what this does is it allows me to select any x value, and it will tell me the corresponding y value. So I want to enter in 95 and then press enter, and it gives me the corresponding y value of 194.883. So rounded to the nearest tenth, that will be 194.9 million in the workforce. Part E says, when will the workforce be 182.5 million according to the model? So this 182.5, that is a y value. So what I'm actually going to do is enter this into y2 and then find the intersection. So I want to do Calc intersect. So I have my 182.5 entered into my y2, and then I want to press graph. So you can see the second line there, and then I want to find the intersection point here, because that will tell me the x value that I'm looking for. So if we do second Calc, or second trace, we get to the Calc menu, and I want to select number 5, which is the intersection command. And then I need to do 3 things. I need to select the first curve, or the first line, so press enter. And then I want to select the second curve, or the second line, so I can press enter. So it's locked in this as my first line and this as my second line. So it knows that those are the 2 lines that it's trying to find the intersection point of. And then we need to make a guess, so over here, and press enter one more time. And then this is the intersection point. So the x value that I'm looking for is 86. So x is equal to 86, but I still need to translate this into the context of the problem. So x is the number of years after 1950. So x is equal to 86 means 2036. So the year 2036. Again, in this video, I was showing how you can use the calculator to find these answers instead of plugging in these numbers into the equation. But either way is okay.